Hey everybody, Shane here. Welcome to another episode of Peaden Connect. Today is a very big day because we're here in Pensacola at the headquarters and we're talking to one of the owners, Clint Dawes. Let's get to that. Mr. Dawes.
Hey, how are you?
Can I call you Clint?
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks for having a little time for me today.
Certainly.
I know you're busy. First things first, what is it like being the owner of such a recognizable company here?
It's a great opportunity every day, I'll put it that way. It has its challenges, but also its rewards. We get to work with a ton of great people, interact with a ton of fantastic customers. So on a day-to-day basis, it's an ebb and flow, but it's very rewarding is ultimately what I'll break it down to.
And you've been here since the beginning?
It was originally Mike Peaden and his family owned and started Peaden, and we acquired it from the original family.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so you're almost 20 years in.
Right.
Tell me about the early days.
Well, it's been, we started with one branch, which was the Panama City branch, and really developed from there, embracing culture, bringing in the Nexstar processes, bringing in additional trades. So Peaden, when we were early on involved with it, was simply HVAC. So we brought in plumbing and electrical as additional trades to offer to our customers. We added the Fort Walton Beach branch and then eventually the Pensacola branch, which now, proud to say we've got, great market areas in all three locations and continuing to grow in all three locations. So it's been very exciting.
So growing in trades, growing in locations, is that the trend moving forward?
Absolutely, that is our desire and our trend. We want to continue to offer 5-star service and experience to our customers, of course, but we're looking to grow. We want to be a regional player up and down the Gulf Coast. We've now moved into Alabama, and we're looking at that range and that footprint. So yes, growth is very much on our horizon.
And what's that been like moving into these new markets?
New markets, they've been somewhat organic. Hiring techs, recruiting and looking for the best possible techs and starting small. Building a membership base as we've gotten in and trying to really build on our 5-star reputation that we've had so much success with in our 3 existing markets and taking them to new markets. I will say it's a slow process. We're not looking to be an overnight success or rush into any market and take it by storm. We want to roll in and offer 5-star experience. Our real focus is on making sure we're bringing that quality and that value to the customer and creating customers for life. So that's our mentality. That's what's worked for us. That's what's gotten us where we are today.
Yeah, and you know what? I'm not going to tell anybody, but who's your favorite market?
Favorite market? Well, I live in the Pensacola market, so hey, it's easy to say that would probably be one of it, but they're all great, really. I mean, they are. My brother is in the Panama City market, and he lives over on that side, so we've kind of split it up. He's on one end of the market, and I'm on the other, so it works out well that way.
Keeping it in the family.
Right.
Yeah. Well, what's the future? Where do you want to expand into specifically?
We're just moved into Baldwin County. We are continuing to move into Mobile County, so southern Alabama is a focus. We have identified Mobile and Baldwin County surrounding areas, if you will, as a major target for us in an area that we want to be a significant contributor in, and we're there now and growing. So on the west side of our territory, that's really where we're focused. On the east side, currently, we have just moved out of Panama City into Tallahassee. So we're really excited about the Tallahassee market. I'm a Florida State alum, so I got a lot of great memories in Tallahassee. So it kind of drove us to look to Tallahassee and service that. So Tallahassee is going to be a great new market for us. We're excited about the potential with the college and everything else there. So really looking up and down geographically, our I-10 corridor. A lot to do with logistics, a lot to do with the fact that we can be in the branches. For myself, I value the ability to be in branches on a regular basis. So to be able to jump in the car and be in any branch in a matter of hours is a big point to me. So I like that transparency and being able to be there. But right now it's just continuing to fill out our northern Gulf Coast market, which we feel like has a need, and we're right to fill that need. So the future is bright. We could continue to grow into multiple markets in the Southeast.
Well, it's impressive what you guys have achieved here.
Well, thank you. It's, the team has put a lot of hard work and a lot of dedication into getting there.
Yeah, for sure. I'll let you get back to it.
Absolutely.
I know there's a lot of work to be done. You guys make sure to like and subscribe, get that notification, because next time we're going to talk to one of your electrical service technicians here in the warehouse right behind us. I'm Shane. We'll see you then.